I know you're not the only person who's complained this. Of course, everybody can weigh his turn if it's predetermined, first in, first out. I mean, naturally, we can't hear 55,000 cases simultaneously.
Of course, sir.
But if there's a system, first in, first out, first in, then even in the Sindh High Court, I would
only increasing, like वो pyramid approach तो है ही नहीं ना, वो same amount of cases are landing in the
अब
Supreme
देखें, अब we are trying to restructure things,
Sir.
minimizing discretion or in fact finishing discretion, and unless there are good reasons, I mean, there are cases which become irrelevant, after a certain period of time. It could be election dispute, it could be a custody order. There are various naturally inbuilt, you have to have them decided, or the law stipulates that it should be done. And I think in this case, you are absolutely correct that the law, if it does not stipulate, it certainly heavily implies that these sort of, it's not an everyday case, it should be attended to as quickly as possible.
Your Lordship. For 4 years, it was high on the shelves in the registrar office.
So we did this to do this. They had the same complaint. CP is not being heard, so at least we've got them fixed.
But Your Lordship, may I submit, even if the family was here today and would have instructed me to proceed with the appeal, the Indian jurisdiction in the relevant section is 436.
No, in that case, 431 has to be independently challenged.
It has to be.
Because either it's not constitutionally correct or requires interpretation.
It has to be challenged.
It has to be challenged.
Abhi tak ki settled jurisprudence, uniform and consistent.
You have to challenge 431 to say it's unconstitutional and it access to justice affect करता है, तब फिर हम आगे चलते हैं.
फिर आगे बढ़ सकते हैं.
अभी तो instructions ही नहीं कुछ करने की, तो वो कैसे?
And Your Lordship, the 4 reported judgments that I have today, all of them are through legal representatives.
Right.
All of them. Not a single. So
can you give us a list of those cases?
Those cases.
No, but in those cases, this is a Pakistani jurisdiction.
Pakistan?
No, so if the person had passed away, they allowed the legal heirs to argue the matter.
Only if there is a fine. Is
that provision available in 431?
Yes, sir. The only exception is fine. Your Lordship, the first judgment is 2020 SCMR 359.
2020 SCMR
359. This is through legal heirs. Judgment authored by His Lordship, Mr. Justice late Qazi Muhammad Amin Saab.
Okay.
And Your Lordship, इसमें उन्होंने लैंडमार्क जजमेंट जिस पे रिलाई किया जाता है जस्टिस कॉर्लिनियस की है 1971 SCMR 35. This was a judgment through 8 legal years. 1971 की जो जजमेंट
71 SCMR
1971 SCMR 31 सर.
और पहले क्या लिखा है यार?
जो पहली जजमेंट है 2020 SCMR 359. 359 sir. The second judgment जिसमें my lord Mr. Justice Mansoor Ali Shah Sahab was also a part and parcel. 2019 SCMR 1144. Lordship Mr. Justice Manzoor Ahmad Malik Sahab, Qazi Muhammad Amin and Mr. Justice Mansoor Ali, authored by Qazi Muhammad Amin Sahab.
What did it hold?
Your Lordship, this again said that only if there is a monetary punishment arising from
that passes on to the legal heir.
Ji, Your Lordship. The third one is, Your Lordship, this is a 5-member bench judgment 1971-35. This is authored by Justice S.A. Rahman, and there is a disagreeing opinion by Justice Cornelius. That is also very important.
क्या citation?
This is 1971 SCMR 35.
आपने लिखा है 71 SCMR 31?
35 sir.
अच्छा 35.
वो तो आपने कहा कॉर्नेलियस साहब का जजमेंट है.
कॉर्नेलियस साहब का एक एडिशनल नोट है उसके अंदर on abatement.
So you've given us 3 judgments.
I've given 3. There is a 4th one, sir.
Ji.
The 4th judgment is PLD 1967, Supreme Court 42. These are the 4 judgments of the Supreme Court which are repeatedly referred to.
42.
And then, Your Lordship, there is one judgment.
What is the principle?
The principle is, Your Lordship, that with death, corporal punishments are exacted from the body and from the person. And if the person is in the grave, that is the end of the matter. Appeal is abated in terms. Black's Law Dictionary की मैं definition को भी जरूर refer करूँगा. It nullifies It eliminates the claim ends.
Oh, how would you attend to, if I put it to you, if my father is now a convict murderer and he filed an appeal and the son, the family, subsequent generations will suffer from a stigma,
Your Lordship.
though it's not a financial thing.
Think about it.
Though it is not a financial thing, why should they be deprived
Lordship.
of exoneration?
Lordship, unfortunately, the way criminal jurisprudence should have developed, it has not. And what is happening in the US? Agar aaj in 2023, with the aid and help of DNA technology,
नहीं, वो एक अलग बात है.
आज भी वो कहते हैं आप स्पॉन्सर
नहीं,
करें और स्टिग्मा को वॉश
एक
करें.
नॉर्मल अपील में
और अपील किस सेक्शन
कभी तो होते हैं ना फाइनेंशियल चीजें कि जी मुझे वो रिटायरिंग बेनिफिट्स वगैरह whatever. But within the constitution, the fundamental rights, anything in
I
favor
have
of you.
attempted for the past 23 years, this is what I do day in, day out, murder appeals. More than 3,000 I have argued in High Court, and on many occasions I have tried arguing an appeal of a dead man, but never had luck, ever. So I was very anxious. Case
Maybe you never came before me.
Too late in the day, sir.
You may have been luckier.
Your
No, but
Lordship,
here the question, there's another added problem.
वो भी इधर से आ रही है.
I
Appeal from the Central.
just thinking aloud, I think at the end of the day, everything revolves around fairness. And I don't see a good reason for a person who wants to vindicate the name of his deceased, whatever, father. Why should he be prevented? Because, I mean, it also affects that person. I mean, you are the son of that murderer. I mean, you know, okay, it has societal consequences, it has family consequences. So but here we have the added problem that none of the legal heirs are coming forward. So let's not kill it completely.
Lordship, you
Let us keep it alive, the issue.
1898 में ही रुक गई बात. आगे
Maybe
नहीं
let's
बढ़ी
keep
जी.
the issue alive
जी.
because after all it's a code of criminal procedure.
No, what about
So it is not technically speaking, I mean, you know, it has legal things, but we can look at certain constitutional provisions, the fundamental rights. I don't know if you can have an expanded discussion on Article 10A, right to fair trial, and appeal is incorporated in it, and appeal is a right, and sort of, you know, removal of a stigma is a right, and all that.
वो तो एक दफा पंडोरास बॉक्स खुलता है तो फिर वो सारी
नहीं, मगर वो इस केस में हम कर नहीं सकते क्योंकि कोई
for whom 10A
My lord had
मगर
given an option.
अगर आप उनके लीगल हेयर होते तो आप सुन लेते.
जी.
मगर आप तो वकील हैं इस केस में.
जी,
legal heirs क्योंकि नहीं है. In another service matter we've also said survivability रहती है स्टिग्मा की वजह से वगैरह वगैरह, लेकिन legal heirs must come and say that.
उनके बगैर आगे
एक तो वो सवाल प्रॉब्लम. दूसरा
इसलिए मैंने 3 दफा I sought
दूसरा जो fine
judgments
है,
inconvenience caused
Mr.
हुई उसकी
Salman,
वजह से.
one is the fine in the sentence itself, but there could be other monetary consequences like
नहीं,
pension
sir.
and all. That's not
वो
covered.
मैंने जजमेंट्स वो चूंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट की नहीं है, ऐसी कई केसेस आए जहां पर उन्होंने कहा सर्विस बेनिफिट्स इफेक्ट हो रही है, पेंशन इफेक्ट हो रही है.
That's not covered.
द ऑनरेबल जजेस, वो हाई कोर्ट की जजमेंट्स है, मैं वो भी लिस्ट सबमिट करवा देता हूँ.